Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today's video is about using the iPhone Notes app on your Windows computer. I'll show you the easy steps to access and sync your notes across devices. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first thing you'll need is an iCloud account. If you don't have one already, head over to iCloud.com and create a free account. Once you're all set up, make sure you've enabled note syncing in your iCloud settings on your iPhone. Now let's move to the Windows side of things. On your Windows computer, open your preferred web browser and go to iCloud.com. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Once you're in, click on the Notes icon. Great, you should now see all your iPhone notes listed on the screen. You can browse through them, view their contents, and even make edits right from your browser. It's like having your iPhone Notes app on your Windows computer. And what you need to do next is go to this three dot icon on the right top corner and then go to more tools and then create a shortcut. You can name this however you want. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then make sure to check this one, open as a window, and then create. And we'll see that a desktop icon has been created for us. What's great about this method is that you can also access your notes offline. It allows you to view and edit your notes without an internet connection. Any changes you make while offline will sync back to your iPhone once you're back online. And there you have it, the iPhone Notes app on your Windows computer. Now you can take notes and access them easily no matter which device you're using. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and keep your thoughts in one place. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy note taking.